Guys, today we're going to show you a DIY pollen filter install into your GU. We're going to use two different filters today, genuine and non-genuine. Biggest difference are the non-gen clip themselves in and the genuine have a clip provided. You'll only use one of these clips though. First is to take off the 7 screws and remove the glove box. Once the glove box is removed, you need to cut this section out of the heater box that we've marked in blue. This is where a sharp blade will help. There's also a little internal tub located at the top that you will need to remove. Once you've removed the plastic, we recommend getting a vacuum in there for a bit of cleaning. As you can see, it's the exact reason for fitting this filter. The genuine filter will push in and use one clip. It's not as secure as the non-gen, but will be easier to replace. The non-gen will, while a little trickier to get in, has a built-in clips and is very secure, but will be a little trickier to remove when needed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more handy videos.